Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the wide V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 5. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to immediately start making wide V-stitches. Into the 6th chain from your hook, make 1 double crochet stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then make 1 double crochet into the same chain where you made that first double crochet. So all together, that's going to be a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet to make that wide V-stitch. Now we're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Into this next one, we're going to make that same thing, a wide V-stitch, a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, same thing, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, make that wide V-stitch, a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet all together. When you get to the end of your row and you can't make any more wide V-stitches, you're going to skip to the last chain in this row and you're going to make a double crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. We're going to be making wide V-stitches into the chain spaces of previous wide V-stitches. So you're going to skip to your first chain space, so right here into this previous wide V-stitch, and you're going to make that same thing, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet all into that same space. It's going to look like that. So you're going to be skipping to your next one and doing the same thing. So now you're going to start repeating this until you reach the last V-stitch of your row. So once you run out of V-stitches to work into, you're going to have some chains at the end of your row. You're going to work a double crochet into the tops of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the wide V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.